up and left.
Did he? Yeah. Fucking blame him. Freaking. Ooh, that didn't look like that. It had a wall. It's a nice thing about a trailer, I guess.
The road's all torn up. The asphalt. Pavers right there.
Dude, this isn't even open yet, and they're in there. Good, someone must have bought
They were
it.
just about to open it. That's Sandy Bottom.
They were gonna open it?
Yeah.
I see fridges and freezers.
Yeah, they were gonna open it.
They
here
look like
pretty
they weren't
soon.
installed yet. This all looks the same. Oh, that fence broke. The sewer's messed up. They're in here messing with sewers. I wonder if the houses got backed up.
I wonder if the library is going to postpone the library opening there. I'm just about to open.
Yeah. Look, they look fine. They're fine.
It's that whole bottom floor flooded.
The school's good. The school's right next to it. They said no water. I don't even see. I don't know. Maybe, but no, they might be good. Look, they sandbag their entrance. They only have one. They might be all right.
Maybe.
Good job, library. I hope they took the trailer, the taco truck that was here. And it didn't get taken.
It's swept away.
Same with Mojo's. And there's a tree. Man, I'm feeling for everybody up north. This was a nothing part of this storm.
Yeah.
Look at the water. Girls, look at the ocean. It's still angry.
The whole road's torn up right here.
Oh, yeah. Whoa, what is that? A swelled sewer or something? I don't know. They're not supposed to be a giant.
sandbar.
Oh, okay. Wow. Well, you don't want to buy that house. The water loves that house. There was a big giant like lump in the road. I don't know what it was. That one? That's Junkanoo. They never rebuilt from Ian. So,
Oh, it's fresh catch.
or fresh catch. Yeah. Junkanoo's good. Big God. I guess 7-Eleven's never coming back. They're like, we got a location on the island. We're good. Yeah, maybe. Looks like they got some damage.
Oh, yeah. Got lots of damage there.
Dolphin house got some damage. Their back porch is all messed up. Look, they're already cleaning up. Their garage looks fine, actually. I don't know.
Looks like anybody who took the precautions is probably doing all right. But the people who didn't got lots of sand and crap in there. House. them still completely flooded.
There's all these sand berms or whatever this is. Pipes.
No, it's
It's
just
just
sand.
piled up sand. The
Piled up
street's
sand.
alright. Jefferson's okay. It looks
And then it's complete sand, yeah.
like water is crazy still.
Mid-Island covered
Oh,
in
wow.
water still.
That one. What street was that?
Mid-Island.
Mid-Island. Connecticut looks okay from here. Connecticut looks alright.
Yeah, just sandy.
Church. This was just trailers, and they're all still there. I don't know if they left, but they're here.
Yeah, no.
Ooh, they just have a river where the church once was, but that's not this storm.
This whole area got washed out completely. All sidewalks.
Look at all the sand. That's not all supposed to be there.
Get a couple weeks before I get back to normal.
That street's flooded. What is that? Andre Mar? There's Anchorage. Sand.
Turned into a night. The beach just took this one.
Beach is like, this is mine now. Look at all that. There's a sidewalk here somewhere.
Look at these piles of sand that they're already cleaning up.
It's awesome. They're already making progress. Look at these people just went through it.
Yeah.
We could go through that probably.
Here's that nice house. Take another beating.
Yeah. This is one of our favorite houses, but keeps
But,
getting smacked.
And hibiscus. Hibiscus looks okay.
Yeah.
At least passable.
Mandalay. Ooh, it's flooded. Mandalay is pretty flooded. Oh my god. Where are we at? Hercules.
Good.
Coconut. A little bit of flooding, not too bad. Should be passable.
This ball's got a nice little pond in front.
Yeah, you can get around
Passable
that.
still
Get
though.
around that, yeah. Oh, this is that tiki on the beach. That's been gone though. Watch this. You see it? Oh, the street's okay. Is that baby?
news. We're not going to be able to go the rest of the way because we no longer live at the south side of the island. But maybe a little bit later we'll go down and check on our house down there and see how it looks. Film the rest of the streets. But right now we got to go check on our boat. It's as far as we go. And it does look like Publix is open.
Yeah, let's pull in and see real quick before we...
We live there, so even if it isn't open, we're allowed in.
Well, the grocery store's open, so we're good. Publix sandwich for lunch.
What do you mean we no longer live on the south side of the island?
We're on Mid-Island now. Our house on Redfish is the south side. We don't live in it. We live on the boat. So here's Snook Bay. It looks okay. Let's see what it looks like.
Pull down branches and trees.
Yeah, let's get closer. They said there was water, but it was receding. Looks like it got a little wet, but not bad. Ooh, look at there. Oh, the shop got flooded. Dang.